Open the embedded web server in the HP app. The embedded web server, or EWS for short, is a printer management site that allows you to adjust your printer settings, get updates, or complete printer maintenance. The HP app makes it easy to access, so you can keep your printer working the way you need it to. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from 123.hp.com or your app store. In the HP app, select your printer, and then select View All in the Printer Settings area. Select Advanced Settings, then select OK. If a warning message appears, select the option to proceed. Accessing the EWS will not harm your computer or mobile device. The printer embedded web server opens. You can now manage printer settings, check for firmware updates, and access the printer tools you need.